Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 Oldsmobile F85 Jetfire with a turbocharged V8 engine and a 4-speed. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was a beautiful restoration on this car that someone spent a lot of time and money putting it together. And these Jetfires were only actually for 2 years, 1962 and 1963. And the 1962 model being a smaller, different looking one. This was a 1 year only, the 1963 model for Oldsmobile for the F85 and the Cutlass and the Jetfire. And in 1963, Oldsmobile sold 121,639 cars, and 53,492 were Cutlasses. And the Jetfires, they made 5,842. And out of that, I read somewhere that there's only 16 known to exist yet with the original methanol-injected turbocharged V8 engine in it. It was actually a 215 cubic inch all aluminum V8 engine that GM had made, Oldsmobile, and put out 215 horsepower and 300 foot-pounds of torque. And this one had the 4-speed in it. Like I said, you could get it with the automatic, I guess, but this being basically a one year only model, it was definitely a rare one. And this one was definitely a beauty, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1963 Oldsmobile F85 Jetfire, turbocharged V8 with a 4-speed, beautiful restoration that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, and consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.